Hi folks, after receiving my Fire Stick and trying to remove the back to insert my batteries without success, I then went to YouTube for some help. I watched several videos and none of them were of any help, including bad lighting, so I wasn't even able to see what they were doing. The instructions diagram was poor and I wasn't able to tell what was top, what was bottom, of which way the cover should move. My cover did not have an arrow, only an indentation where to place finger to slide. I then got the idea to use a thin blade, a paring knife I own, and shortly thereafter I carefully inserted it into the spot I figured out was the spot to move the cover. You don't want to scratch or damage cover, so be careful when placing it. It opened the cover ever so much to then fit my nail in and continue to push down, and in a second the cover was off. As I stated in the other videos, it takes a few more tries to open again, but each time making it more successful. Amazon made the cover extremely hard to remove. I think my idea was the best and fastest of all the cover instructions out there. Rubber gloves don't help either. Good luck to all. I now don't need to return the stick. Now on to learning setup. It takes a woman to do a man's job, I guess. So here's what I did. Here's the top. Here's the indentation. And then you just place the knife in here and push. And now, as you can see, or maybe not. Yep, I got it too close. You can see it opened and popped, and I'm done. Good luck, everybody, and thank you for watching.